So hi everybody, welcome again in my blog, Sai Shashiwala. Beautiful city, San Santiago. I have with me the Deepak Garg, founder and CEO of SCW, the young professional in energy sector. So yes, sir, what bring you here, DTech 2026? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling so good because everybody talk about energy and AI. And here's a company, SCW. We are the one, number one, and helping the global utilities across the board in 45 countries. Love to see the energy on the floor and a lot of clients coming over and then looking forward.
Perfect. And how you think how this event has been evolved over the years?
No, I think the event evolved because of what we've seen in the energy sector itself. People were not talking about energy 5 years back, but now everybody in the world talking about energy, energy, energy. And you can see, like from 10,000 people now, maybe you have 20,000 people, and everybody talking energy and AI. And that's where you can see more and more people talking more software now rather than hardware. That's a more difference I see.
What is the global challenge you see in the power sector? And how your solution can add role in utilities or consumers?
Yeah, what we see in the global challenge, people always think traditional way. It was always about generation and transmission and distribution. People are not thinking about the people, which is the billions of people who use power and energy. We reverse that game because now the grid has become the two-way, and we brought the 8 billion people into the ecosystem of energy and utilities, and that's a difference. That's a big difference for us, driving that force and having that AI as a data drivers to make the right decision for the utilities and the customer.
So just one last question. How are these events are important for the industry?
I think it's important because you can definitely see the sharing of idea. You can see a different solution what other people are trying to do, and how you can pretty much work with them, partner with them, and how you can really take it what you build it up to the next level and meet with the new customers and the partner over here. Oh, for sure, we already booked it, and we want you to come in V3. We do the V3 globally in 7 countries, and we are going to be doing a V3, which is a better event than DTech, for all the reasons, and where the CXO level, the CEOs of the global utility come and share their idea and how we're solving the problem together. So that's on the 10th to 12th November in Las Vegas this year. To come over there.